Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Emily Splichal, podiatrist, human movement specialist, and inventor of Naboso technology. Since 2012, I've been traveling the world sharing my passion for barefoot science and barefoot training. Through my education, I've been able to help influence over 20,000 professionals, patients, and runners reduce their injury risk through a program I call Barefoot Strong. In 2017, I launched Naboso technology, which is a small nerve proprioceptive surface to help you get more out of your barefoot training. It is an honor to be here to share with you Run Injury Free, created by Stick Mobility and Naboso technology. I hope you enjoy. With over 80% of runners experiencing an overuse injury at some point during their career, we're here to help you reduce your injury risk through fascial tensioning and proprioceptive training. The Run Injury Free program is broken down into 4 parts. We're going to start with a pre-run warm-up, followed by 2 workouts, and wrapping up with your post-run recovery. Coming up next, we're going to go into the unique demands of running. Running is a rhythmic movement that requires you to take thousands of steps for every mile or kilometer. Now, every time your foot strikes the ground, you are encountering impact forces or ground reaction forces. The way that your body perceives these impact forces is as vibrations. And the way that your body loads vibrations is through contracting the muscles or creating what's called tension. Now, this tension created through muscle contractions actually lies within your fascia. So we refer to this as fascial tensioning. Fascial tensioning is a key concept that is built throughout this Run Injury Free program. We're going to be creating fascial tension between foot to core and hand to core. Coming up next, we're going to go into the power of proprioception and why every runner should activate their body through barefoot training. The only contact point between the body and the ground is the foot, or more specifically, the skin in the bottom of the foot. The skin in the bottom of the foot is packed with proprioceptors, or special nerves that perceive texture, hardness, and vibration. Because your body perceives impact forces as vibration, the foot is the gateway into how your body loads impact. Because the foot is so important into how you load impact, the entire Run Injury Free program is going to be performed barefoot and on the Naboso technology mat. Coming up next, we're going to go into why the Naboso mat is so important. Naboso technology is a small nerve proprioceptive material that is designed to stimulate the skin on the bottom of the feet and the palm of the hand. The Naboso mat is designed with an evidence-based, patent-pending texture and hardness, which will optimize the activation of your nervous system. By integrating Naboso technology with stick mobility, you will be getting the most effective activation through your warm-up, workout, and recovery. Coming up next, we're going to go into the power of stick mobility.
Hello everyone, my name is Mitch Taylor, one of the co-founders and creators of Stick Mobility. I've been in the industry for over 20 years and have found a huge need for mobility. We've seen people throughout all these years just trying to jump into an exercise program, whether that's running, strength training, yoga, Pilates, or anything else out there. The problem is nobody's preparing their body for the needs of any exercise program they're going to go into, or for that matter, the needs of everyday life. We sit more than we ever have, so we found the need is we got to get people moving again. We got to get them up on their feet, teach them how to feel their feet, get in touch with their feet, ground forces, and how that works from foot to core and translates throughout the whole body. Stick mobility was the one thing we were able to come up with that we can teach people how to regain mobility and live a better life. Stick mobility is a revolutionary new training system with a progressive approach to fitness, mobility, and muscle activation, regardless of your age or performance level. It is going to help you unlock your inhibited movement patterns so we can move optimally and function much better through daily life and, in your case, running. Stick Mobility created the Mobility Stick, a patent-pending stick which provides you leverage, increased body awareness, and the only tool on the market to help you create fascial tensioning. Because it's of its unique strength and ability to flex. Fascial tensioning is very important for you runners because we have to learn how the muscles need to contract and relax to move in an efficient movement pattern. Whether that's we're talking from ground forces and how the foot reacts off the ground, all the way up through the hips and the arms. So we need to connect the body to move optimally and injury-free. We see the problem with runners is most of the time you just run. So you're not preparing your body. We're not getting the muscle activation and the active warm-up beforehand. We are not strength training throughout the week to prepare our body for those demands of running. And then most importantly, we're not recovering properly. So the mobility stick will allow you to take you into deep fascial stretches and recreate that body awareness. So when we are out there running, your body moves freely and efficiently.